Your thumb stops mid-scroll on a video of a sleek handheld device playing a game from your childhood. The colors are vibrant and the buttons look clicky. The price flashes on the screen and it is 60% off for the next 2 hours. This is the bait. This is exactly how sites like Retrops hook you into a decision before your brain can catch up with your nostalgia. It is a digital storefront designed to look like a high-end boutique for gamers. But once you pull back the curtain, the polished wood turns into thin cardboard. There is a specific kind of unease that comes with these mystery brands. You search for a physical address and find nothing. You look for a history of customer service and come up empty. It is a brand that seems to have materialized out of thin air just to sell you a dream at a discount. These sites are masters of the aesthetic. They use high-quality renders and sometimes even footage from other creators to make a generic product look like a revolution. In reality, you are likely looking at a classic dropshipping operation. They do not design these consoles. They do not manufacture them. They often do not even see the product before it gets sent to your door. They are just a middleman with a fancy website template and an aggressive marketing budget. Most of the hardware they sell can be found for a fraction of the price on massive wholesale marketplaces. They are banking on the fact that you will not do your homework. They want you to see the shiny lights and click that buy button immediately while the adrenaline is high. The lack of a real reputation is the loudest warning sign here. A legitimate company builds a name over years through reviews and community interaction. These guys have no footprint outside of their own social media ads. No independent tech sites are talking about them. No long-term users are showing off their collections. It is a vacuum of accountability. If your order arrives broken or never shows up at all, your chances of getting a refund are slim. They rely on the fact, and many people will just give up rather than fight a ghost for $50. If you absolutely must roll the dice, please use a payment method that offers strong buyer protection. Never give them your direct bank info or use an unprotected wire transfer. But honestly, why even put yourself through that stress? The retro gaming market is more crowded than ever with actual reputable creators. There are companies that have spent a decade perfecting their screens and their software. They had active forums where you can get help and firmware updates. They have real warranties and customer support teams you can actually reach. Buying from a pop-up site is a gamble where the house usually wins. You are trading your hard-earned money for a high-risk lottery ticket. That feeling of getting a massive bargain is often just a precursor to a massive headache. Do not let a well-placed ad steal your peace of mind. Stick to the names that have actually earned a spot on your shelf through quality and transparency. Trust your gut when it says something feels off. That instinct is your best defense against the shiny traps of the internet. If you want a great gaming experience, buy from someone who will still be around 3 months from now. Your future self will thank you for being the skeptical shopper.